'Twas the day before Christmas, when all through the shop, pinning browsers and phones, fingers crossed for my next cop. Refresh after refresh, I plan to own this shoe, be it belugas or breads. I hope one or both is true. L after L, even though I've been on the nice list, this has to be the day that I can finally cop some nice kicks. Oh dear Saint Nick, please don't be full of shit. May we all get our grail shoe and not a box full of bricks. Thank you. Drops mic. What's good, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be unboxing and reviewing the Air Jordan 1 High OG Handcrafted. They released via Finish Line and JD Sports, as well as the sneakers app and other retailers on December 18th for a retail price of $170. Now, current resale isn't crazy. It's about retail actually, but there's absolutely no way these won't go up. We'll talk about that later in the video. As I said in the last video, I got these through exclusive access through Finish Line and JD Sports. And again, I got both. Although they did have a wide release on the actual website on December 18th. Just to recap from the last video, go back and watch that one. It'll give you some more details and some tips on how to actually hit. Yes, I hit again. Perfect. But this was both pre-order and in-store. The in-store pair, I already picked those up, and these, the ones we're unboxing today, are from the pre-order. So first things first, let's get to this box. Jordan has been doing their thing with these boxes. I mean, I can't front on it. Like the detail on the box, all of the boxes, you know, having their own unique identity instead of just being the red and black with the Nike swoosh on the top. You know, there's nothing special on the inside of this. It's not like the Alma Mater. Actually, let's read the box. So the box says Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, Black Archeo Brown, Noir Chocolate, Noir Archeo. I'm assuming it says BRUN. Maybe that means brown. I don't know. Did get a size 11, my personal size. Again, the box has all of the hues from the different shades that's actually in the shoe. I love that. When I first saw this shoe, I figured this was perfect, a perfect Jordan 1 for the fall and winter, especially from the tones and hues that they have, and we'll cover that in just a moment. This makes collectors want to keep their box. If you have 50 boxes that are black and red, I don't need all of those. So let's open it up and see. And you know how it goes. Gotta have that smell, man. Never gets old. Never gets old. So the first thing, of course, comes with two laces, two extra sets of laces. And actually, the shoelaces that it comes equipped, I believe these are polyester. It's a two-tone shoelace, so it looks like an infrared is at the top portion of it, and then the bottom portion is black, which matches the Nike Air tab that's on the tongue. Those hints of colors are only on the tongue, the shoelaces, and the swoosh or the Nike Air that's printed on the insole. And as we look around the shoe, it has this Archeo Brown nubuck around the toe box area and around the ankles. These shoes were made with a blend of nubuck, leather, and canvas. So it's almost like a patchwork feel because it has different blended materials put together. And also it has 3M paneling or 3M accents around the toe box and the quarter panel, which Nike, I'm a sucker for 3M, man. It makes pictures so much better. I mean, what do you expect? It also has perforated leather around the toe box, and it's a sail colorway more so than, you know, a white. The side panels and also the midsole is that same sail color, and you know, the outsole standard black Jordan 1 outsole. The tongue is a standard black tongues, nothing special about this one. The blending of all of the different colors, this is so much better. This is like a better version of the biohacks, if you ask me. Like, this is perfect for fall, winter. It's balanced, and it has just enough bright accents of the infrared. At least that's what color I'm gonna say it is. I'm gonna say it's infrared. That's what it looks like. It has this wine color on the heel. Well, I love wine anyway, but it matches so well. Like, I give them credit when they make these shoes, and it's a different blend of colors that you would usually go for. Usually Nike can kind of hit it. They did so with these. The Air Jordan logo, the branding on the side of the ankle, usually is printed directly on there, but they printed it on what seems to be a patch, and then they stitched that patch on the ankle. And I believe they did that to enhance the handcrafted feel of the shoe. One of the things that I noticed that I didn't see from the pictures is, again, this shoe also has the quilted pattern on the inside. Now, it's the standard cloth is what it seems to be for the sock liner, but it's black on black, so you have to look closely to actually see that quilted, see if you can get a little, that actual quilted pattern on there, if you can actually see that. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, it has that quilted pattern on the inside, which I actually like that touch. If they did this on future Jordan releases, I'm all for it. It has like a forest green paneling around the where the eyelets are between the two brown, and forest green and brown just will always forever go together. Also, the swoosh is a black nubuck as well. And then on the top of the back panel is your traditional Jordan leather. I can't complain. The quality is really good on these. My thoughts on these, everyone should be able to dress this up for the fall winter. You can get a nice bubble coat, you can get a nice hoodie. Shoot, you probably can find an ugly Christmas sweater to go with this. Like there's a lot that you can do with this shoe. I give this shoe a 4 gloves out of 5. Like I believe that, yeah, Nike hit this one on the head. This one's another good one, another good release. These I'll probably sit these in the closet, let them sit for a minute. I cannot see these shoes staying as low as they are right now, because if you look at the biohacks, they're over $300, and to me these are better. So probably right now slept on. But if you really want these shoes, I will strike right now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Appreciate you guys for watching. If you found anything useful in this video, please hit the thumbs up, spread the love, subscribe if you want to see more, and happy holidays. Merry Christmas, you know, whichever holiday you celebrate. Be safe out there, spend time with your loved ones, and I'll see y'all in the next video.